Hey, in this art tutorial, you will learn how to visualize imagination in three simple steps. I'm your host. My name is Jay Gilani. You're watching the first exercise of drawing with imagination. Let's start with first exercise. But question is, what to draw? In my art classes, when students ask, what should I draw? I always tell them to start with a random line. What is random line? My definition of random line is one continuous line intersecting randomly. Random line exercise will stimulate your imagination and help you to develop new ideas that didn't exist before. For this exercise, you need a pencil, paper, and eraser. Step 1. Hold your pencil, close your eyes, and start drawing one continuous line intersecting randomly on drawing paper. Make a few drawings of random lines on different drawing sheets. Just like this. I'm holding a pencil, my eyes are closed, and here you go. Step 2. Identify shapes. Can you see circle, oval, rectangular, square? Let's do that. Step 3. Mix and match these shapes to visualize a hidden object. Ask yourself, what do you see? At this step, you don't need to go fast. Take your time, challenge yourself, and once you have a slight idea about an object that you can see out of these shapes, write it down. You can write, I see the boat, or goat, or a lion. Write it down, whatever you visualize. Step 4. Now start drawing. It's okay to erase or add some lines to make your hidden object visible. It's okay if your drawing turns out to be weird. Remember, there is no right and no wrong when it comes to imagination. This is most exciting step in the art making process. Creativity is our ability to think in new and original ways to solve problems. Cognitive scientists hypothesize that our ability to imagine and create new ideas results from something called a mental workshop, a neural network that likely coordinates activity across multiple regions of the brain. And that's what it is happening right now in my brain. I'm looking into different shapes. My mind is wandering and processing so many creative ideas. Now, some of you may ask that I can see an object but don't know how to draw. That's fine. Remember, what to draw is more important than how to draw. How to draw is a skill that can be mastered once you know what to draw. So stay tuned. I will bring more exercise in which I'll talk about how to draw from random lines in more details. If you are a parent of an elementary or middle school child, I would highly encourage you to exercise this lesson with your child. This could be a great family fun activity. For adults, this could be a great idea for brainstorming or stress relief. Write comments Like my channel and subscribe it, because your likes and subscriptions motivates me to share more tutorials. Thank you for watching it.